students. Adding color and filling to drawings can make them more vibrant and visually appealing. Here is a brief introduction to adding color and filling using the turtle module. When drawing with the turtle module, you can use the turtle.fillColor function to set the fill color of the shape you are about to draw. Additionally, you can use the turtle.beginFill function to indicate the start of the area you want to fill with the chosen color. After drawing the shape, you should use the turtle.endFill function to complete the filling. Here is how you can draw a colored square using the fill color and begin fill functions. Let's go to the moving coding part. First we need to import the turtle module. Next we need to create the turtle. We name the turtle as T. Then we set the fill color. T dot fill color of, we say, yellow. Then we'll begin filling the shape. T dot begin the scope fill of. Now we will draw the shape. You just say we'll draw a square for I in range of 4. T dot forward of 100. T dot left of 90. Next we need to end the filling. The filling T dot end underscore fill of. Finally we need to close the turtle. So turtle dot done. Execute the program. Yes, our turtle made a square and fill the square with yellow color. You can change the color, shape, etc. We need red. T dot circle of 50. Yes. Now the circle is drawn and filled with red color. Likewise, you can also draw your shapes and fill the color. Thank you.